Struggling marketers, searching for a pandemic-proof DFY solution to make money online? Then look no further, because all your struggles are about to end here. Here's the thing. The only difference between top marketers and those struggling to make a dime online is a top converting product. Whether you're beginning online or you've got experience, having a top converting product in the hot niche is your gateway to be a success online. The days of tossing a poorly written 30-page ebook on ClickBank and cashing in are gone. If you try it, you'll be crushed by refunds and bad reviews. Also, due to the cutthroat competition, you want your products and offers to stand out from the crowd, which could only be achieved if you sell something of true value and trendy. Keeping that in mind, we have made a full-fledged digital video training product addressing the only segment of make money online niche that's growing at a speedy rate despite global economic uncertainty. And that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is big, and it's getting bigger. Since its rapid growth in the 2010s, affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular strategies to drive sales and generate passive income. As more and more people move online, it gives rise to more and more digital as well as physical products. And that's why it is the easiest way to make profits online without any hassle, risk, and extra cost. Moreover, based on Google Trends data, search interest in the Curie affiliate marketing has increased steadily over the past few years. Between 2015 and 2021, the search interest is up over 200%. Also, affiliate marketing is one of the few industries where the impact of the coronavirus has presented affiliate marketers with better opportunities. Hence, it is clear how a complete video training program on this hot topic will affect any business in terms of profits and ROI. At this point, let us tell you a secret. Selling private label rights licenses to quality training programs is one of the strategies top marketers use to consistently generate six-figure paydays year after year. That means, to be a success online, you just don't need to sell a training course that your customer can purchase and gain insightful information. But you need to provide them an extensive private label rights license so that they can also set up an additional income stream for their business by claiming full authorship of the product, edit the contents, and sell it further for pure profits. But there's a problem. To offer private label rights, you must need to create a product yourself. And unfortunately, product creation is not everyone's cup of tea. There's so much involved, like extensive market research, quality product creation, writing a groundbreaking sales page, creating professional graphics, sales page creation, developing and building products, making it download ready. But lucky for you, right on this page, we are offering you a groundbreaking opportunity to get unrestricted private label rights to a high-quality product that will make you go from zero to thousands of dollars in profits in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download our ready-for-market product. Step 2. put your name on it. Step 3. Upload it on your server. Step 4. Make instant sales and keep 100% of the profits. What could potentially take you months of work can now take you just 4 easy steps to complete. Introducing Affincome Training Kit, HD video training course with unrestricted private label rights. A complete step-by-step video training encompassing everything you need to know to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer and see boatloads of cash flowing into your bank account. With that being said, let's check out the modules you are going to get inside. Module number 1. 14 step-by-step training videos. Module number 2. Professionally written training guide. Module number 3. Chapter images. Module number 4. Video raw files. Module number 5. Audio files. Module number 6. Video voiceover script. Module number 7. 10 unique articles bundled into one. Module number 8. Cheat sheet. Module number 9. Mind map. Module number 10. Top resource report. In addition, we are providing you all the required resellers module to help you get going in no time. Module number 11. High converting sales copy. Module number 12, Customer Sales Video. Module number 13, Professionally Designed Graphics. Module number 14, Animated Banners. Module number 15, Professionally Created Email Swipes. Module number 16, Professional Mini Sites. Module number 17, Legal Pages. Now you can turn around and sell this awesome package to anyone you want with PLR license, and you get to keep every cent you make. In addition, we are providing bonuses. Bonus 1, Outsource to Success. Bonus 2, Website Cache Ideas. Bonus 3, Success Mindset. Bonus 4, High-ticket sales secrets. Bonus 5, affiliate networking. Bonus 6, freedom online business. Bonus 7, hustle for first clients. Folks, if you are serious about your business, you will jump at this chance. This is the cost-effective and proven way to shortcut the whole process and get straight to the dollars in your bank account with no product creation, no outsourcing headaches, and no marketing experience required. Everything you need to succeed is in this package at this one-time ridiculously low price. So hurry up before the price gets double or more than what it is right now. Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.